Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is, what is today's date? It is Friday, July 23rd. It's about 8:30 in the morning, give or take. I just got the boat back from Barnacle Bills in Delmont, New Jersey, off of Route 47. Heading 55 to Route 47. Joe Pecora, my buddy, did some work on the boat and on the motor, and I'm super excited to get her running. So I'm going to give things a shot today. Waiting on a buddy's coming down about an hour from now. So long and short, we're going to give it a shot for flounder in the back bay. Hearing some stripers being picked up in the back bay. We might give that a shot as well. So stay tuned, let's see what happens. Couple reports about stripers around the docks and running up and down the sod bank, so I figured I'd give it a shot while I was waiting for my buddy to get down. Unfortunately, no takers. I mean, I would hit this if I was a striper. Oh, fish on. Oh. Quick little move. Get over here, you. Quick little move. And what do we got there? Little potato chippy chipper. It's all right. It's a start. That's number one. Tried for stripers, no luck. It was kind of half-hearted attempt. They're creeping and sneaking around back here. Let's get this little guy off. Come on, buddy, let go. Let go, let it go, let it go. Hey. All right. Bright white. Could be the ticket today. We may have to change our plan of attack. Wind out of the northeast, an outgoing tide, and it's gonna make things a little interesting. Just trying to get the boat turned around to get a good drift. Got to make my way in shortly to go pick my buddy up. See what we can do here just for this little bit of time. This wind's going to blow us into the bank. Ooh, that's a good fish. Don't let up. Don't let up. Well, it was a better fish anyway. Not a good fish. It's a better fish. Holy mackerel here. Hold on. Try not get intimate with the sod bank here. All right, there we go. Sorry for the back and forth there, guys. All right, that's number two. Looks like what they're hitting on. We might have to change our plan of attack. Although these are little fish. Where there's little fish, there might be big fish. Not a bad little guy. Get back. Go be great. Grow big. I seen you. I saw you. I done seen you. Oh, man. Man, two fish and it beat this grub right up. Or not this grub, I'm sorry. This swimming mullet. All right, let's go back at it. Sheesh. killing time here. Waiting on my buddy. As you can see, we got a bit of a wind coming out of northeast. That's turning around. Let's get it on. Just got to fight this wind. We should have the drift going the way we need it, but we got to fight the wind. Got her down there. Boom. Oh, goodness gracious. Wow. God almighty. All right, that's what I want to see. Get that pink shine, Grub. You. Come on, Bill dance it. Bill dance it. One more jump. That's it, you flat tarpon. South Jersey flat-faced tarpon, you. Man, they are just... These little guys are so aggressive. Gosh almighty. Let it go. Oh, oh. Look what you did to me. I lost a 5-inch grub. I'll let you go. Go get it. Go be great. Holy mackerel. Oh man, everything's falling apart here. Jesus. All right, so we got, oh, the magic bag of love. What do you got for me, Bobby? How about you? Give me the grub, bub. All right, no peeking in my bag there, guys. No peeking. When I tell you, I have, and this ain't, I'm not bragging by any stretch. It's pretty much, I probably should join a support group, a Gulp support group. Hundreds of dollars of Gulp on my boat, and I'm probably not alone. I guarantee I'm not alone. All right, let's try this again. See what we're going to do here. Let's get back down. This is crazy. I just pulled up here not 5 minutes.
How warm's the water out there? Alright.
Oh, I keep catching. I'm not going to go pick my buddy up. I'm going to tell him. Swim. Oh, you creep. I felt you. I felt you. I felt you nibbling. Come on. Come on. Let's go. This is awesome. Boy.
Oh, boy.
Oh, good. All right. Catch and release. Very good. Get rid of it. All right. Stand by. Let's keep it up. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Potato chip for John. All right. Catch and release. All right. We're recording. Let's see what else we got here. See what else we got. They said they've been holding in a little deeper water.
Now we picked up a 22.
Oh, so it's 22, not, I'm sorry, 22, not 24. I lied to you.
Slippery hill.
This is going to be a weird day with this goofy breeze. Oh. Johnny got a shark. Oh boy. All right, just keep him from, see if you can keep him from spinning. Let me get my line out and I'll help you with that.
Want to bring him in?
No, I don't want him in a boat. Especially, I don't know, sometimes I don't know if they're spiny dogfish or not. All right.
Big time, high voltage. How about you, Joe?
Yo, brother, what's going on? Oh, come on, baby, come on off. Oh, no. You got to retie. Nope. Oh, short. No, thank you. All right. Oh, man. All right, there, take it easy, you. And this breeze is, woo, picked up exponentially, didn't it? I got to keep us off this sod bank. We're gonna be shoveling our way out. Literally right where I caught him before I came and get you. That might be worthy of a net. That might be worthy of a net. Okay.
Thank you, bud.
Yep. Got it.
It's a little short.
Yeah. Give it a shot. You don't know. Don't know until you measure it, stretch it, and pull his tongue.
Step on it. Pull his tongue.
Yank on him, crank on him, and let's go.
It's gonna be close.
Really close. You got the tape right up in front of you. Right up against the bulkhead. Give me the good news, come on. 16 and a half?
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Yep. And release this, get bigger and be great. What you got here, buddy? That's a flounder. I seen the head shakes. Nope.
Yeah,
Not short.
No.
That's 16 and a half. Oh, it might even be 15. Good job, though. Good job. Lighter jig head and white.
Oh, dude.
Let me try and get him to come on. Oh, he just swallowed it.
Yeah, that's bad.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, you gotta let some slack out. You're gonna cry. Oh, boy. I'm gonna film you busting the tip on that rod. I would have felt bad for about 30 seconds.
Yeah, this fish wasn't getting off.
Now. Well, it's gonna be one of them days now all of a sudden you're on fire again.
Well, not yet.
The champ is here. Oh, this is gonna be, I don't think this is a flounder. No, this is gonna be a shark.
No head shakes.
No, this might be a shark or a skate.
I don't know.
Oh, that's a flounder. Yeah, it can't hurt. Put him in a net. Thank you. Alrighty.
Nice and heavy, I can tell you that.
Yeah, he is. He's a heavy flounder, isn't it?
Big 18, but it feels heavy.
Nah, yeah, definitely got some girth to him. Alrighty, what's up, buddy? Oh man, he is hooked like nobody's business. I had to do surgery on this guy. I'm shaking some. What?
You having a spot lock?
No. Why's that? No, I'm just trying to get us back in that deeper water is what I'm doing. All right. Nope, that ain't 18. Heavy fish though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Whoop whoop.
Did you measure it?
Nah, it's gonna be short.
I was gonna say like 16.
Yeah, he's a shorty. Man, white is out right there, Kirsten. Jeez Louise, man, I'm gonna have to do all sorts of editing. Alrighty, that's that was going to be about a 17, like he said, 17 and a half inch fish.
Very heavy though.
He was, wasn't he? Definitely had some tonnage going on. All right, we're still in 18 foot of water here.
Party either.
Literally got two wakes. One, man, we got caught between it. Wakes coming left, wakes coming right. feels like a shark. This feels sharky.
You want the net?
I don't know. Let me see.
Get ready just in case.
Oh, it's a flounder. Nah, it's not a keeper. Nah, we're good. We're good.
No.
No, yep, just safe water. Man, they're hitting that white. Hitting that 4-inch swimming mullet. 3-inch swimming mullet, whatever they are. Bye-bye. That made life easy. Nope. Well, that's a fish, though. Very nice.
Come in, skipper.
Good job. Ho! Catch, release. And we got to go to the eye hospital. I'm waiting on a new net. Actually, a net pretty much just like this for that other net I have. You know, the new netting, because it was that net was horrible. Well, heading home. Had to drop the trailer off, and now I'm heading back to my house. So it wasn't a bad day. You know, all things considered. I heard some reports it was a little rough out front, and you know, having a skiff, Carolina skiff, I got to take it easy. I don't want to push the envelope when I'm going offshore. So that being said, all good, all good. We caught better part of 8 to a dozen fish, flounder, a couple junk fish, and listen, anytime something's tugging on the line and it's your target species, I think you did okay, you know. Not every day is going to be a packed cooler. Not every day you're coming home with meat, but you're coming home with memories. You're coming home with being out in the fresh air, the salt water, and hanging out with my buddy. That's a win for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You know the routine. If you like this video, please reach down there, hit like. If you like this channel and this type of content, it would be awesome if you'd become a subscriber and leave a comment. Let's get into a chit chat, or you know, let's discuss something. Ask me whatever you want to ask me. If I don't have the answer, I don't know the answer, I'm going to try and get you the answer. Okay. As for my motor, 2014 Evinrude E-Tech 150 Gen 1, and I had it worked on at my buddy Joe Pecora's place in Delmont, New Jersey. I said at the start of the intro to the video, Barnacle Bills. It is purring like a kitten. So thank you Joe and your wife Yvonne. Thank you guys so much for taking great care of my motor. Basically had the boat. If I didn't have an issue with having my truck at the shop, I could have had my boat back within a day and a half. That is unprecedented. So, guys, again, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the water. Take it easy.